guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing how similar are we with like a little test. So right now I'm making it and I'm just going to read out the questions as I make it. So the first one is which superpower would you like to have? I'm not going to say it out loud because we got to see how similar we are. Question number 2. What's a word your friends use to describe you? Question number 3. What's your social life like? Wait till the end of the video because I'll post like a little square of how similar, like the numbers, and the link will be in the description down below. So make sure to check it out. The fourth question is, what's your favorite season? I'm trying to think. Question number 5, what's most important to you? Question number 6, what's your favorite holiday destination? Ooh, this is a hard one. There's 2 that I really like. I guess I'm going with this one. Question number 7, what would you do with $1 million? No questions asked, I would just do this. Question number 8, who would you most like to meet? I have no idea. Still thinking. Question number 9. Which time period would you like to live in? Ooh, I like this one. How long do you want to live? I want to live as long as I'm granted, so I have no idea what that would be, but let's do this one. What do you envy other people? If we're not similar with this, that's no. Are you a night owl or an early bird? I should be asleep right now. What will you do if you see an unconscious man lying on the street? Question 14. When you are bored, what do you do? I'm never bored. I play an instrument. I play so many instruments. Question 15. If you could change one thing about your appearance, what would it be? Ooh, I'm gonna just say this. I'm very short. So I finished answering all the questions. So I'm going to be putting the link down in the description below. Take it and tell me how similar we are. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and stay tuned for more. Bye!